This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
PRV860. Seven PRV860 Honda Civic. Bro, where you going?
That should apply to everyone in the firing squad. Laura Loomer said that they speak occasionally. Quote, he knows I'm a Trump loyalist, and I know he doesn't like Trump. And despite our differences, we have found common ground on making sure Ron DeSantis is not the president of the United States ever. So never DeSantis.
Like pleasure, things that you don't, like physical touch and stuff, right?
Oh, crash behind us.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wow.
What? Did
They,
you see?
yeah, they didn't touch anybody.
Wow.
Wow.
What in the are you doing?
Oh, no. Right.
Yeah. Well, I'll do that one
Okay. Holy you do that? Holy moly.
I'm not trying to be an asshole, man, but if you don't know how to ride it, be careful, man.
I've been doing this like 6 years. This is my second sport bike. I had a Z1000.
I'm not trying to be a jerk.
No, but you passed me on the left. I have a video. I'll record the whole thing.
I'm not trying to
And
be a
you
jerk.
pushed me on the left, so don't.
Oh, I was just trying to get around you. I wasn't trying to be.
I'm going right.
I wasn't trying to be an asshole.
I was gonna go straight. You
It
came on
seemed
my
like-
left.
Hey, I wasn't trying to be a jerk.
I'm going that way. I'm
I was
fine.
just trying to get around you, and you gunned
On the
me.
left.
Yeah, because there's two lanes right here.
I was in the left lane.
Well, it looked like you were going in the right. I wasn't trying to offend
It's
you.
okay. That's why I gunned it, and then I want to go this way.
Hey, we're
now.
good. We're good. I
Okay.
wasn't trying to offend you.
I know.
I was trying to get around you.
I know it's Texas people, you know.
Yeah.
But I was on the left, and I don't want to block traffic. I had to get out of there because I don't have anything around me.
Hey, no, I just want to make sure you didn't think I was pissed off at you. I was trying to get around you, I thought. And it looked like you were trying to take the ride.
No, I have the whole lane, so like I'm on the far right of the lane because there's a left turn. I'm not taking a left, I was going straight.
Yeah, you're good, man. Hey, I'm not trying to piss you off.
What the hell? Oh,
their difference. They thought of it as affliction. The birth canal would be a draining place to such a one, he thought. Ignorance reduces the shock of some experiences, but they would have no ignorance about birth. What would it be like to live a life where you knew all of the things that could go wrong? You would face a constant war.
Visit your home twice a year and keep your AC running cool. Let's talk today at coxair.com or call us at 727-442-6158. License number CAC 1816108.
Are you tired of all the swiping left and right, trying to find that one amazing match?
Wake up, fun up with Ron weekday mornings at 6:35, 7:35, and 8:35 for the secret.